Po, what happened po, not only in Zamboanga but also in Tacloban, Leyte, two shooting incidents. I think hindi lang po the school failed, everybody failed. The school, uh, the family, the parents failed. Relatives of guardians of those children failed. Failed, the reason why I said failed because yung sa school, given na po yung sa security, may lapses po sila. As what I have heard, if I'm not mistaken, Sen Risa, pag nakakotse daw, diretso sa hallway yung bata sa classroom. Pag naka-tricycle, naka-pedicab o naglalakad, dadaan sa katakot-takot na screening, may mga metal detector. Pero pag nakasasakyan, lalo na pag mamahaling sasakyan, bababa yung bata, sasaludo na lang yung gwardiya, diretso na sa hallway, diretso na. So I think that was the entry point. Pangalawa, the teachers also failed. Narinig na pala na nagbanta yung bata na babarilin yung school. Walang action, di ba? Sana, tama ka, Sen. Riza, we have to have a law siguro or policy. Tulad po yung mga bomb threat sa mga airports, di ba? Pag may narinig na nagbibiro lang, talaga the authorities take it seriously, di ba? Siguro yung security ng school should have taken it seriously or the teacher should have reported this matter to the security of the school. And then school should have reported it to the PNP para nakita kung sa na-prevent natawagan yung magulang. And then, yun po, yung failure na magulang, yung firearm holder po, nagkaroon ng problema. Siguro kaya I am filing a bill, Senator Risa, na ika nga that gun owners, yung kanilang mga baril na nagamit ng minor for inflicting injury or cause of death, ay makakasuhan din. Napapanagot ng homicide due to reckless imprudence dahil hindi niya tinago na mabuti yung kanyang baril.